Hi everyone, I'm Fox 35, Storm Team Meteorologist Ian Cassette with a look at your forecast here into this evening and what to expect throughout this weekend. Looking at our Daytona Beach camera, it doesn't look so bad right now, but I see many people that are near the pier. They're thankfully in knee-deep water, which is where you should be if there's a high rip current risk. Or ideally not in the water at all for no risk at all, but I don't see many out there swimming, and you see why. Rough surf out there. Inland, we do have continued scattered showers, potential for thunderstorms here through the rest of today, and that is because we do have a swirling system that is just offshore to the northeast of Jacksonville. Still not a tropical depression as of this afternoon. Doesn't really matter if it becomes depression or not for us. Impacts remain the same, but as expected to move into land by tonight. So will continue with these scattered rain chances here through the rest of today. It's starting to come down by the night, but for the most part, a few downpours possible here, tropical downpours with all this moisture associated with the system, and especially across the northern half of our area. So for a timeline of this, a few showers and storms again possible through this afternoon, periods of heavy rainfall. This evening, it will start to come down with only a few downpours possible, and then by tonight, rain will begin to taper off. And you see all that tropical moisture that's overhead associated with the system. We also have tropical moisture over the Gulf of Mexico, which is associated with what could be another system in the southwest Gulf, but that is not going to bring any impacts our way. As we get into Saturday, that moisture is going to linger, and that's going to allow for some afternoon storms. So your weekend forecast does look pretty stormy into the afternoons, kind of returning to normal with daily afternoon showers and storms. Temperatures will also be plenty hot. If you're not seeing rain, it's going to be in the 90s, and it'll feel like it's over 100 degrees. But at least hour by hour here for the rest of this evening, scattered showers and rain chances here through this evening. Once we get about 8 o'clock, then maybe a few showers left over. As we get into the night, things will start to settle down, and we'll see quiet conditions overnight. Winds also expect to settle. Winds are not really an impact with the system for us locally. Into Saturday morning, quiet start, though a few rain chances possible in Flagler and Daytona Beach from points northward. Scattered showers and storms will return again with the sea breeze moving inland by the afternoon. So between the window of 1 to 6 o'clock, expect potential for some showers and even some heavier thunderstorms. And it's showing here a good chance of rain, especially over Osceola County points southward, and then again up in Flagler County into the north. So our forecast rainfall, at least through the rest of the night. Some spots might get over an inch, most under an inch of rain, very scattered in coverage. As we jump ahead into Saturday with how much rainfall we can get, could see a few more areas get more than an inch of rain. So we'll have opportunities for rain here. If you have outdoor plans tomorrow, definitely going to have to be weather aware given the thunderstorm chance. If you're going to go to the parks, best chance of rain will be into the afternoon. Temperatures also be hot and humid, so drink plenty of water. Daytona Beach could have rain chances in the morning, but best chances of rain will be into the afternoon with those highs back in the mid-80s. Now, we have had a high rip current risk that's going to start to come down as the system moves over land. The seas do come down as well, so rip current risk is going to go down into this weekend. Tomorrow morning out the door, waking up those temperatures into the 70s, very mild and muggy, and that mugginess will be there in the afternoon with temperatures into the 90s, especially those western areas, mid-90s before the storms do develop. It will be toasty tomorrow and points going forward. We'll continue with the same forecast here through this weekend and next week, and opportunities for rain will be there as our forecast rainfall through next Friday afternoon shows that there should be plenty of areas that get over 2 inches of rain. So we will have plenty of opportunities here over the course of the next week with those temperatures into the 90s, hot, humid, regular old weather here in late June. I'm Fox 35 Storm Team Meteorologist Ian Cassette. Have a wonderful rest of your evening and a great weekend ahead.